The fourth project is helicopter flight. So what we need is we need a new world. Pick a world, doesn't matter. And we need a tower. All right, so we got a tower. It's really big, so push it off in the distance. We need an airport. Here's our airport. All right. So there's our airport, and we need a helicopter. Here's a helicopter. Put the helicopter right there. All right, so we're gonna set up the scene a little bit. We're gonna raise this out of the ground. Okay. We're going to go up a little bit, and then we're gonna turn a little bit. Maybe we'll back away. Still want to go up a little bit. And we'll turn back. And we'll go further back. Alright. Alright, so now we have the helicopter and the tower in scene. Okay, so we got helicopter and the tower. So in this scene, we want the helicopter to go up, go to the tower, go around it, and then come back and land. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you a trick. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this helicopter. All right? I'm going to duplicate the helicopter with my magic duplication things. Now I got a second helicopter. I'm going to put that second helicopter right there. And then I'm going to make helicopter number 2 invisible by is showing false. Bam. So now you don't even know it's there. All right, so that's kind of a trick we're going to use in the future. So remember that trick. So we need a couple methods. All right, so we're going to use word methods. We're going to go, we want the helicopter under the world. Okay, under the world. We want the helicopter to go up. All right, so we're going to take off. All right, so in this case, we want the helicopter to move up, 10 meters, and turn to face tower. All right, so let's check it out. Take off. All right, 10 meters doesn't seem like enough, so let's make it 20. All right, let's play it again. Okay, that's cool. Let's take off, and let's do the approach. Let's do the approach. And we have the helicopter move forward, pick any number, and then we're going to do distance to tower. Okay, and let's do math minus 4. All right, so now we're going to test these two things. Let's go to the world. We're going to do takeoff and then approach. Let's see what happens. Oops, sorry. Let's do my first method. There. Bam. Up, turn towards the helicopter. All right, not bad, not bad. Didn't run into it. Now we want to fly around. Oh, so approach. We're going to do a little approach. We're going to have the helicopter turn. turn left, quarter turn. Okay, so now let's try it. Up, there, approach, turn. Okay, cool. And then circle. Let's do circle. Circle. Alright, so this is where the helicopter turns right, 1 rev, as seen by the tower. Alright, so let's check it out. Now we want to slow this thing down. Alright, so, okay. Oop, goes, zip. Oh, wait, let me put this in the main, my first method. Goes there, turns. Not far enough. Seen by the control tower. Alright, so we're going to do tower, just the tower. Cool. Goes around the... Alright, maybe a little slow, so maybe we'll make it 3 seconds. Alright, so he went around. So in the thing, we wanted to go around 3 times, so a loop will do that for us. Pick 3, put the circle in there. Now, the next thing we need is the landing. So we want landing. Alright, so in here, we want the helicopter to turn to face our mystery helicopter. Okay? And then we want him to move forward. Don't pick anything. Doesn't matter because we're going to go distance to mystery helicopter. And then we're going to have it move down. How far do we move up? And we move down 20 meters. So we're going to put this into our world landing. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4 methods. Oh my goodness. Let's try it, see what it looks like. Up, go around, go to the tower, go around it 3 times. There's once, twice, 3 times, turn to face our mystery helicopter, and land. Perfect landing. Okay, so that's basically it. In this thing, we did 4 methods. I know the book only said 1, but it makes more sense to chop it up into functional parts. Have a great day.